Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to release your BMW X5 parking brake. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. First, you'll want to locate the electronic parking brake switch, which is typically found on the center console near the gear selector. Before doing anything else, make sure your foot is firmly pressed on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step for releasing the brake. To manually release the parking brake, keep your foot on the brake pedal. Then, simply push down on the parking brake switch. You should hear a slight disengagement sound, and a red indicator light on your dashboard will turn off, confirming the brake is no longer engaged. This manual method is perfect for when you are ready to begin driving or need to move your vehicle from a parked position. Your BMW X5 also features an automatic parking brake release. This convenient function activates when you fasten your seatbelt, select a gear like drive or reverse, and gently press the accelerator pedal. The system is designed to make your departure smoother. However, it is always a good practice to visually confirm that the red parking brake indicator light on your dashboard is off before you begin driving. If you encounter any issues with the parking brake not releasing, first check your dashboard for any warning messages. Ensure your vehicle is in either drive or reverse, not neutral or park, when attempting to move. If problems persist, it's always best to consult your BMW X5 owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions or contact a certified service center for assistance. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.